train driver gave me a wave through the window. Nice. I didn't know there was a train coming from that way until the gates came on, and I looked down there, and there was this train. He's on track 2. There's a train on track 3. It might be rolling out here soon, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it. And then it's been a green indication on track 1 for about 40 minutes, but nothing has happened. I think it's green because Amtrak train is gonna come by. If it does, we'll just see it go by through these cars. Man, the bearing sound very bad on that car that just went by. Whoa! Very big loud boom. Every train I have gotten today has been long. Here comes Amtrak along the other side, guys. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but the end of this train is coming, but Amtrak is coming now. Here it is. All right, train meet. There's Amtrak right there. And there's the end of this train. Right there. Nice train meet there.